So where are we, ladies?
I don't know. Gaudi?
Gaudi? I don't even know.
Let me open my map.
The map. Well, Natasha gets the map. I think we found, like, the secret garden, like, from all the movies, like...
This is the most beautiful shit I ever saw.
Like,
where at?
I don't even know. Like, it's like a castle. Like, I don't even know. Like, there's birds and
So funny.
flying around and, like, gold and
I want to, like, go.
grand staircases.
I want to go in.
Like, I don't even know.
Look at that elephant.
There's an elephant? Oh, zoom in on it. Oh, wow. That looks like a mammoth.
It is a mammoth. Same family, different stage.
It's like gargoyle looking thing, birds flying around. Wow. Well, we found the secret garden and it's in Barcelona, in case you're wondering.